My fellow Guyanese, since I last communicated with you, the situation in our country has further deteriorated. The APNU AFC coalition continues to be concerned with the approach being taken by the PPPC regime as our country seeks to grapple with the uncontrolled spread of the COVID-19 virus. We continue to emphasize that a holistic approach is required to bolster our chances of successfully grappling with the pandemic. We are concerned that there is not enough attention being paid to the ensuring that the preventative measures of wearing of masks, social distancing, avoiding crowded spaces, washing of hands often and sanitizing are being adhered to or properly enforced. My fellow Guyanese, there also appears to be no exemption system in place for persons who, because of existing medical conditions, are unable to take a COVID-19 vaccine. The science has established that transmitting and contracting of the virus is possible irrespective of vaccination status. It is therefore a common sense approach that testing should be done across the board in order to be able to identify and contain the spread of the virus. Testing should therefore be made available at every health institution across the country, free of charge. We know that the adolescents vaccination program has been rolled out. What has become clear from the various incidents of children falling seriously ill after taking the vaccine, much to the distress of parents, is that there needs to be a proper, thorough pre-screening procedure to determine the existence of comorbidities that can provoke contraindications in our children. Very little attention, if any, is being paid to the importance of nutrition and the building of the immune system to help the body naturally combat infections. The need for proper public education and national consultation in these matters cannot be understated. The high-handed, dictatorial approach being adopted by the PPPC regime continues to erode public trust, resulting in an increased vaccine hesitancy. These issues, combined with the exponential increase in the cost of living, the increase in crime, and the high rate of unemployment, the insufficient supply of WHO-approved vaccines, the poor and deteriorating health care, lack of personal protective equipment, all combine to create a very unstable environment. Finally, my fellow Guyanese, we therefore repeat our call for the PPP regime to immediately engage in an emergency all-stakeholders forum to chart a prudent and responsible national COVID-19 management plan, with a view to winning the confidence of the public and ensuring that Guyana wins the battle against this pandemic. I thank you.